Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to completely uninstall Valorant with Riot Games in any PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to navigate here with the taskbar and click on this forward arrow to show hidden icons. So if you can see any icons here which contains the icons of any Riot games, all you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with exit. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you do, then follow the steps. Click on this forward arrow to show hidden icons, then select all the Riot games which is being opened here, and do a right click and go with exit. Once you have exited, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for settings. Again, I don't have any application which contains Riot games here in my computer, but if you do so, just have to follow the steps, okay? So here at the settings, please proceed with clicking on open and wait until you are being redirected to the settings itself. Now, once you are here, please proceed at the left side of that and look for an option called apps. Tap on it and go with installed apps where you can uninstall and manage apps on this PC. So all you need to do is you need to look for Riot games, any games that is related to Riot. Okay. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down and look for it. Okay. So just have to scroll down. In my case, again, I don't have such since I'm not using that specific game. But if you do, and then if you want to remove that, okay, all you need to do is you need to click the three dots there and go with uninstall. So let's say, for example, this is a Riot game, which is related to Riot. All you need to do is you need to click the three dots, go with uninstall, and directly uninstall all the games which is related to Riot games. Once done, proceed with your Valorant and do the same, and that is to uninstall the application also. Once you have removed or uninstalled all the applications, such as any related to Riot Games and Valorant, you need to close the window and proceed to the next step. Our next step would be you need to proceed with your File Explorer, and here, please proceed with this PC and select your C drive, double tap to it, and here you need to look for Riot Games. Again, look for Riot games. So in case you don't see any, all you need to do is you need to select on either program files or program files x86, double tap to it, and here you will be able to see Riot games. The next thing that you need to do is you need to do a right click. Let's say for example, this is a Riot games file folder. You need to go with show more options and click on delete. Once you have deleted it, again, I'm just showing you the steps in your case, you need to follow. You need to select the real Riot Games file folder. Please do a right click and go with the show more options and click on delete. If you don't see any of the Riot games here under the program files, you can navigate to your C drive, proceed with your program files, and locate it here. Okay? You can also see it in your C drive aligning to the file folder listed here. Just delete it. Once you have deleted it, close the window and navigate to the keyboard. Press Windows and R key together. And this time you need to type for app data. Once you have typed that, click on OK and wait until you are being redirected to this location. And here you need to look for Riot Games. Again, look for Riot Games file folder and do the same, and that is to delete it. So let's say for example this is the Riot Games. So please do a right click, go with show more options and click on delete. Once you have deleted it, close the window, and there you have that. You have just successfully uninstalled or removed permanently the Valorant with Riot Games here in your Windows or computer. So if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.